If drinking Coca-Cola ruins our teeth, then why do people eat poison like sugar? If we need toothpaste and a brush to clean our teeth, then did our ancestors use babool gum? If brushing every single morning keeps your teeth healthy, then why do 90 out of every 100 people in America get cavities? When our ancestors didn't even know what a toothbrush was, how were their teeth 1,000 times stronger than ours? Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to answer all of these questions without wasting a single second of your valuable time. And at the end of the video, I will share a scientific brushing technique that, once you use it, will make not just cavities, but even the father of cavities think 10 times before coming anywhere near your teeth. But before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Already did? Thank you so much! First, if sugar is poison, why do people eat it? Because sugar releases dopamine in our brain, just like addictive substances do. And do you know who the biggest fan of this sugar is? The bacteria in your mouth. Whenever you drink Coca-Cola or eat something sweet, these bacteria eat the sugar inside and produce acid. And this acid is what melts your tooth enamel and creates cavities or holes. Second, so what did our ancestors do? Did they wake up in the morning and brush their teeth with tree twigs? Absolutely not! The real secret behind their healthy teeth was their diet. They ate raw meat, roots, and tons of high-fiber foods. While chewing these hard foods, their teeth were naturally cleaned. There was zero refined sugar in their diet, so there was absolutely no question of getting cavities. Now let's talk about America. Why are there so many cavities even after brushing twice a day with expensive toothpaste? Because we eat fast food, soda, and sweet treats all day long and then brush just once at night thinking our teeth will shine like diamonds. But it's a lot like rolling in mud all day and washing with soap just once. If you don't fix your diet, no toothpaste on earth can save your teeth. Now let me tell you about that scientific master technique you've been waiting for. Look, this magical brushing technique is called the modified base technique. According to dentists, this is the absolute best brushing rule on earth. How do you do it? Most people wake up, put toothpaste on their toothbrush, and start drilling their teeth at full speed from right to left. But let me tell you, this is completely wrong. This actually wears down the roots of your teeth. The correct way is 1. Hold the brush at exactly a 45 degrees angle right where your teeth meet your gums. 2. Now, instead of scrubbing left and right, gently brush in a circular motion. 3. Then sweep the brush downwards or upwards for the top teeth. With this method, the bacteria hiding between your teeth and gums come out super easily, something that normal scrubbing will never ever get out. Along with this, start flossing between your teeth at least once a day. I guarantee that if you follow these rules, cavities will seriously think 10 times before coming anywhere near you. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with your friends.